All right, so first I wanted to discuss a little bit the importance of working with subconscious mind. So first maybe let's talk about what is subconscious mind. So usually we hear these three things together, conscious, then we hear subconscious, and then we also hear unconscious. So conscious, if I say it simply, I don't like things to be too complicated too. Conscious is what we are aware of. So for example, you can be aware of the temperature of your body and saying, oh, I'm hot somewhere on my body, I'm feeling hot. So this is your awareness. This is something that you are aware of, you know about, and this is part of your conscious level of being. And so if I stay with the same example of the heat, then subconscious would be how the body is working with that information. What is the internal process of the body to deal with the temperature? Let's say you are cold or you are hot. The body will be reacting into it in a certain way. You are aware of it, but you have no control of it, and you are not aware of all the processes that are engaged into the management of that situation. So that is subconscious process. Same goes how your kidneys are working right now, or your liver, or any kind of internal organ. You quickly understand that you are aware that you have kidneys, but you have no idea what they are doing right now. And the same thing going on with the mental processes as well. Many things that you notice, for example, in dreaming practices, you will say, oh, tonight I want to shift, or I want to know that I'm dreaming, and but you wake up in the morning and you only realize, well, it didn't happen. So how do you talk to your and sometimes you do. So I would like to deepen this conversation about how do you actually communicate to your inner self, inner workings that are going on there, your subconscious that is doing things that are a little bit out of your control. And unconscious are things which are so unconscious. I do not see a computer or an entity working in there. So I would just say, I could be right, I could be wrong. I'm just giving my classification there. So unconscious, I would say it's a bunch of information to which you do not have access to. So it's like you have a library. Your father has put books inside, but you don't even know they exist. Or maybe you were young and you know that you have a book there when you were 5-year-old, but now you have no idea. That went to the level of unconscious. So you have no idea about an information, and this is unconscious. So if I repeat again, conscious is things that you know and you are aware and you are more or less in control. Subconscious, you know that it is existing, you know that the process is going on, but you do not have control of how it is being done. You only realize it is an intelligent process, it is going on, but you have no idea how it is being done. And unconscious are the information, is the information that is inaccessible to you. So this is the classification. And now, why talk about it in the practice of lucid dreaming, astral projection, etc., shifting? Because you realize that there is a process, for example, behind the dream environment. There is something that is in charge of the construct of the experience. Something there is an intelligence that is building the forest. When you wish to have the forest in front of you, there is an intelligence that is building the forest. You can enjoy the forest with your consciousness and with your awareness. You can approach the tree and touch the tree, take the leaves and see the details of the leaves with your consciousness, but you have no idea how they came into existence. So that is the process of the subconscious. And even you looking at me right now, you see Yuri, the light comes through the webcam going out on your screen, you see there, and Yuri is being built up inside you. You are enjoying Yuri, the sound of my voice, but you have no idea how I exist inside you. That is the subconscious that is in charge of it. You can call it any name you like, it doesn't matter. What I propose is just to realize that there is something that is doing something for you, and you are not in control of it. You can ask things, you can be granted with a result, but you have no idea how the result has been built for you or within you. Not to put the process outside of your authority. It's within you, it's under your authority, but it's something that you don't control very well. So that is the subconscious mind in a few words.